Thank you so much for participating in the Grinchmas with us. We want to have Bella select the scenes. Bella, give me a ball, baby. Come on, bring me a ball. Bring the ball. Bring a ball. Good girl. Drop it down. All right, scene number 1 goes to Bayside Academy. Yay, Bella! All right, scene number 2. Bella, get the ball. Get her a ball, Bella. Give us a ball. Good girl. Scene number 2 goes to Daphne High School. And scene number 3, Bella, get the ball. Give me the last ball. Get the ball. Good girl. The last scene goes to Fairhope High School. Fantastic. Good job, Bella. And we know that these art students are going to do a fantastic job for Grinchmas in Fairhope. Good luck, guys, and we can't wait to see what you develop. Thanks so much.